Hello world, welcome in our YouTube channel ERPSAP team. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic. How to know how can we assign the commitment item to GL account, or how can we know that which commitment item is assigned to which GL. Okay, getting my points. So for this there is a customized transaction code SKI4 underscore 38000036 assign commitment item to GL account. Okay. Once I am going to execute this transaction code, okay, in my company code, the company code is 1100, and I don't know the commitment item with respect to GL account. This is 5026105. You can hear a lot of multiple GL account. Getting my points? For example, 5026105. 5026 101 5026 103. Okay, I just want to know the commitment item with respect to these three GL account. Okay, and the FM area is 1000. Okay, and my main objective is assign commitment item to GL account, or to know which commitment item is assigned with respect to these GL accounts. Okay, so I'm going to execute these transactions. Okay, see, 5026101 is the maintenance charges of CAN B10 517. 5026103 is a provisional of new connection B10517. Repair and maintenance cluster outsourcing. 5026105 is maintenance charges outsourcing BTS. Okay, getting my points. So if you click on this, you can get the details regarding this. Okay, RNM cluster outsourcing landline and broadband. Getting my points. So this is the RNM cluster outsourcing. Okay, so you can get the details regarding the same, and I repeating again, you have to execute this transaction code SKI4 S underscore KI4 underscore 38000036. You need to execute this transaction code in the command window, and here you need to fill the company code and need to fill the GL account. Okay, I have ticked here GL account with commitment items. Okay, here you have another option, GL account without commitment item, so you can assign the commitment item through GL. I'm not going to do the second way. My objective is to get the commitment item with respect to GL account, so I click on this GL account with respect to commitment items, FM area, and there are various options like if you know the commitment items and want to check the GLs, financial transactions, item category. Okay, like financial transactions and all, post revenue clearing and all. Okay, item category, post table. Okay, here you also can choose the layout. Okay, no layout form, you can make your own layout. Okay, so here you can execute this and see, this is the GL account, this is the company code, this is the maintenance charges outsourcing BTS, FM area 1000, and this is the commitment item. Okay, so if you don't know the GL account commitment item with respect to GL account, or you don't know the GL account with respect to commitment item, so both you can get from this transaction code. Okay, getting my points? So this is all about to know the commitment item with respect to GL account, and commitment item is generally used in our company for OPEX budget allotment, for the consumption of OPEX budget allotment and utilization of OPEX budget allotment. Okay, thank you.